Laura and her mother Kim have been volunteers for quite some time. Laura is no bigger than a minute, but that little girl can do anything and ride anything. And she was one of my first enjoyments to watch on one of our rescues. She was able to hop on a big thoroughbred, 16 hands tall, that had issues, ride the horse beautifully, and continue to adopt that horse. And many horses beyond that. At one point her mother told me that she wasn't allowed back out here because they had so many horses that came from us. Every time she went home, her husband said, "What horse did you bring home today?" But Laura has been a wonderful part of our family, as well as her mother. They've come back every summer to be a part of our apprenticeship program and help us out, and they've just absolutely been wonderful to us.
I'm Laura Ash, and I've been around horses since I was born, and I started riding when I was about 1.5 or 2. And I used to do the pony club, and that's how I ended up getting involved here, because we did like this thing where we came out here and just kind of looked how they did stuff. And then I ended up, I wanted a different horse so I could do jumping, I could jump higher, because we had to retire my pony. And I ended up meeting Sam, and he is a retired racehorse. He's about 10, and he's my jumping horse now. We thought he might have flipped on the racetrack because he has like a dent in his shoulder where it looks like it's been broken. And then we ended up getting Jenny because we saw her one day and we noticed like not a lot of people could get around her, and I was like the only one that could actually mess with her and ride her pretty much. And we weren't actually coming out to get a horse, we just started volunteering out here, and then I just started messing around with her, and we noticed how good she did with me and how used she got to me, so that's how I ended up with her, and she's gonna start being my barrel racing horse. And then I have 8 horses at my house, and I have 2 draft horses that I do. Well, one of them I do vaulting on, which is gymnastics on horses. So that's pretty much about what I do. I appreciate coming out here to see how all the horses have been rehabilitated, how they started off, how they were kind of an abused situation, how they used to not want to be around people to where they want to be around everybody, and they love the attention and stuff. And I think my life would probably be different if I didn't have horses. I wouldn't probably be as active as I am, and wouldn't be into the sports that I do with them. So